This is the Blackstone 36-inch griddle. I just assembled this. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes from opening the box to getting it fully assembled. The directions were very clear. You need minimal tools. You need like a crescent wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. The directions are very clearly laid out. Everything is nicely assembled in the box. It looks a little overbearing at first, but once you get everything organized, you read through the instructions, very easy to work with. They do a really great job showing you where everything goes, and it just goes together really nice here. All the pieces were inside the box, packed really nicely. I just did a I just lit up the burners, just got all of the plastic off the inside there, but overall, very easy to build this. I like the 36-inch one compared to the 24. This one's a little bit taller. It's got a lot of storage right here. It's got the magnets, the hangers right here, magnet again, and that's where the propane tank goes right there. The box is about 100, I believe it said it was a 147-pound box. It's pretty wide. It would probably fit in the back of like a mid-size SUV if you have laid the seats down and everything like that. It wasn't too bad, but overall, very easy build. I would say, like I said, it took about an hour, little over an hour, hour and 15 minutes, but overall, really great griddle here. Blackstone's a really great brand. Highly recommend checking this out.